And here it is, the one chart that can completely derail the current state of markets is oil. Oil prices have dramatically risen from their lows in the April low session. We can see here from there, you're looking at almost a 40% gain. That is almost a 40% gain in the price of oil. Now, let me ask you, do you think a 40% increase in the price of oil could have an impact on inflation? Most people in my live stream today, I asked them this question, and it was a huge resounding understanding from the audience that rising oil prices has a huge factor in causing inflation to resurface. And so with oil prices rebounding here, they've come down a long way, but this completely derails the campaign, the strategy of both the Fed and the Trump administration if things get out of hand from here. From a technical basis, we've seen a downtrend in oil in the last few months that is completely unwound in the matter of a few days based on this conflict happening in the Middle East. And just when it looked like inflation was getting back to normal, this poses a serious risk to that story. If geopolitical conflict escalates, if the United States becomes more involved in the war, this could lead to the existing supply of oil and the marketplace seeing a flood in demand for oil prices and potentially some decreases in supply due to sanctions, due to military actions, due to destruction of oil facilities. All these sorts of things could cause the price of oil to go up. And remember that pretty much everything that we consume is impacted by the price of oil. At the end of the day, trains, planes, trucks, boats, all these things that move things require, for the most part, a huge amount of oil. And so the price of oil going up could cause this inflation story to materially worsen. And this is why this single chart, oil, has the potential to completely disrupt everything that's been going pretty well here in recent times. We've had inflation cooling, we've had stock markets rebounding nicely, but this rise in oil prices, I can't understate that if you start to see breakouts beyond levels like 80, we're sitting in a potentially threatening position, and indices could give back some of their gains in response to this.